Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best clay pot sealer is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products for anyone looking to preserve the natural flavor and moisture of their food, especially when cooking with traditional clay pots. This specialized sealant not only protects your valuable cookware from staining and damage but also enhances its performance by creating a non-stick surface and preventing flavor transfer between dishes, ensuring every meal you prepare is as delicious and authentic as intended. Number 5. Podge Matte Sealer, Glue and Finish. Discover the ultimate all-in-one solution for your crafting needs. This versatile product acts as a glue, sealer, and finish, simplifying your creative process. This 8-ounce size is perfect for your art supplies. It's a convenient and versatile addition to any crafter's toolkit. Achieve a beautiful, clear matte finish that preserves the integrity of your projects. It's ideal for decoupage paper and tissue paper crafts. Our quick-drying formula works seamlessly on wood, paper, canvas, and more. It's a must-have for all your arts and crafts. Crafting is made even easier with simple cleanup. Just use soap and water to wash away any excess when you're finished. Feel confident in your creations. This product is proudly manufactured in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. What we like. This product offers a beautiful matte finish that preserves the look of your projects. It dries quickly on various surfaces and cleans up easily with soap and water. If you are looking for a versatile sealer for decoupage and general crafts with a non-shiny look, this is a great choice. What people say. The sealer is easy to apply and dries clear. It provides a good protective coating for the clay pot. The sealer helps to prevent stains and makes cleaning easier. Number 4. Lifeproof Ceramic Coating Spray Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for your kitchen and bath surfaces. This innovative kit provides a powerful ceramic coating for lasting protection. Experience a remarkable shine that revitalizes your countertops and fixtures. It's designed to make your surfaces look their best. This advanced formula creates a durable seal, safeguarding against everyday wear and tear. Enjoy peace of mind with enhanced durability. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and grime. Its protective barrier actively repels messes, making cleaning a breeze. Keep your kitchen and bath surfaces looking pristine for longer. This spray kit offers comprehensive protection against daily challenges. Applying the ceramic coating is simple and quick. You'll achieve professional level protection that stands the test of time. What we like. This offers a durable ceramic coating that repels stains and grime, perfect for high-traffic areas. It provides a protective shine to surfaces. If you need to protect and enhance your kitchen and bathroom surfaces from everyday messes, this is the solution for you. What people say. It seals the clay pot and prevents it from leaking. The sealer is easy to apply and dries quickly. It provides a durable, waterproof finish that lasts for a long time. Number 3. Podge Spray Acrylic Sealer, Gloss. Introducing our specially formulated spray sealer, designed to protect all your craft projects. It dries crystal clear, ensuring your creations look their best. This 12-ounce can is the perfect size to add to your art supplies. It's a must-have for any crafting enthusiast. Achieve a stunning, glossy, and crystal clear finish every time. Watch your arts and crafts glisten with this easy-to-use formula. This spray sealer works beautifully on a variety of surfaces. Use it on wood, metal, canvas, terracotta, and many other materials. Keep your nozzle clear for future use. Simply turn the can upside down after your project and spray for easy cleanup. For over 50 years, Podge has been a trusted name in crafting. This gloss acrylic sealer is proudly made in the USA. What we like. This spray sealer provides a glossy, crystal clear finish that won't yellow over time. It's quick drying and easy to apply over many surfaces. If you want a high shine, protective coat for your crafts that is easy to spray on, consider this option. What people say. It is a great product that works well. This product is very effective and easy to use. Number 2. TFIVE Paint Pens, Vibrant and Permanent Markers. Introducing our premium paint pens, designed for artists and creators. The quick-dry, permanent oil-based ink ensures your creations last. Explore a spectrum of 12 vivid colors to bring your projects to life. Perfect for decorating wood, glass, fabric, rocks, and so much more. Our versatile markers feature a durable fine tip, allowing for smooth application and precise lines. Effortlessly add details to crafts, journals, and more. Craft with confidence thanks to the odorless, non-toxic, and acid-free ink. These markers are designed for safe use by adults and teens aged 14+. Each pen is sealed to prevent leaks, ensuring they arrive in perfect condition. We stand by our quality with outstanding 24/7 customer support. What we like. These paint pens use a vibrant, oil-based ink that is waterproof and permanent once dry. They are suitable for a wide range of surfaces, from rocks to fabric. If you're looking to add detailed, lasting color to various DIY projects and crafts, these markers are an excellent choice. What people say. It works great and seals the clay pot. This sealer is easy to apply and provides a good seal. Number 1. Podge Outdoor Waterbase Sealer, Glue and Finish. Introducing a versatile solution for your outdoor crafting needs. This product acts as a sealer, glue, and finish, all in one convenient bottle. Achieve a beautiful, clear finish that dries quickly, allowing for multiple coats. It provides a water-resistant seal, perfect for various surfaces. Enjoy a hassle-free crafting experience. It cleans up easily with just soap and water, making your projects enjoyable from start to finish. Craft with confidence knowing it's AP non-toxic and water-based. This makes it a safe choice for all your creative endeavors. Its durable, water-resistant finish is ideal for wood, terracotta, slate, tin, and many other materials. Let your creativity shine outdoors. Proudly manufactured in the United States, ensuring quality and reliability for your projects. What we like. This sealer is specifically designed for outdoor use, providing a water-resistant finish to protect your projects from the elements. It's a quick-drying, non-toxic, water-based formula. If you need to seal terracotta pots, wood, or other items that will be exposed to weather, this is the product you need. What people say. This sealer is great for sealing my terracotta pots. It dries clear and doesn't leave a residue. The sealer is easy to apply and provides good protection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.